Tired of sweating through the summer? This powerful portable beast can cool your room down in minutes. No complicated install, no bulky window units. This is the 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, and it's packed with features to keep you cool, dry, and comfortable. Let's jump in. With 12,000 BTUs of cooling strength, this unit can handle up to 550 square feet. We're talking big bedrooms, living rooms, even studio apartments. It doesn't take long to notice the change either. Powerful airflow, quick temperature drops, and customizable comfort. This isn't just a cooler, it's a 3-in-1 climate machine. Need cool air? Boom, it got you. Sticky, humid day? Switch to dehumidifier mode. Just want to circulate air? Tap into fan mode. It adapts to your needs no matter what the weather throws at you. Setup? A breeze. Pop in the window kit, attach the hose, plug it in. You're good to go. No tools, no stress. It also on caster, so you can roll it from room to room, bedroom at night, home office by day. Easy. And with the remote control, you got full command from the couch. Don't let the power fool you, it's smart too. The energy saving mode helps you chill without spiking your electric bill. And it runs quietly enough for sleep or meetings. Seriously, you'll barely notice it, except for the part where your room feels amazing. You also get a 24-hour timer, auto swing vents for even air distribution, and a clean modern display that lets you control everything without the guesswork. This is comfort, but upgraded. So here's the bottom line. Big cooling power, 3-in-1 versatility, quiet, efficient, and portable, all in one sleek machine. If you're done fighting the heat, this 12,000 BTU portable AC is ready to take over. Check the links below to grab yours today. Stay cool out there. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.